you're Philippine.
I am Philippine tomorrow, yeah. Hang on, tomorrow morning on. Well, I need to, let me call you. I just need to ask Philippe what time I'm helping him tomorrow.
Okay.
I should just practice getting him in the car.
Oh, I
I'm
see.
thinking, what do I do? Apart from...
Good afternoon everyone. It is I. Right, here we are today with Peter's help, just doing a little video for everyone, and just thought I'd run everyone through as to what we're doing. Right, this is the southern face of the house with the big A-frame out the front, and hopefully this will all be terraced all through here. You'll have the patio doors there and some nice triple glazed windows up the top, so you can actually hopefully see decent sun in the winter, and hopefully it'll be nice and shady in the summer. So if we carry on walking through here, you sort of see what's going on. Right, tell me when you're ready.
That's what I'm rolling at the moment.
You're rolling at the moment. Right, that's all right. Leaves a bit out. Right, we've arrived in the lounge. As you can see, it's been designed as an atrium, so that there is a fully open ceiling with a mezzanine there. There'll be some stairs coming up in this area over here, which will swing round and then go back onto the mezzanine floor. Next to this, there'll be a wood burner with a full-length flue, and fantastic outlook through the windows when they're in. As you can see, we've started plasterboarding the ceilings, and next to there, where you can see the silver panels and the timber, that will be covered in birch ply, so hopefully that will make the ceiling nice and light. The plasterboard will be painted white, although we are sort of changing our minds. Well, if we pan down, we can wander through here. Right, this is the bedroom. This will be the main bedroom. Bit of an odd shape, but we quite like it. Some units here, bed over here. And as you come through, the first door that you see to your left, that will be a walk-in wardrobe. Hopefully that will cope with all of Katie's clothes, the multitudes of. And then the second door, as we come through, unfortunately not a lot of light in here, will be a bathroom, shower over to the left, and toilet here, and then across to here there'll be a sink over here, and some cupboard space, just some narrow cupboard space around here. Right, as you can see, there are tools and equipment everywhere. But you actually see right. Here we are in the second bedroom, which is another ensuite. Pretty basic, roomy enough for wardrobes, double bed obviously. And then we walk through here into the ensuite. We'll have a bath at the end. There'll be a basin behind, along with cupboards on this side, and then there'll be a toilet over to that side there. all pretty basic, nothing really special, but hopefully with everything being heated from the floor, it should be quite comfortable. Right, what do you want to do? Do you want to?
I'm just going to walk through.
Right. Yep, toilet in there, basin, and then as you walk through, come out to here. This will be a dining area around here with some services, unfortunately, in the corner for the underfloor heating. We're thinking of having an island around this sort of area here, primarily because the cooker will be in that area and the hob in that area on the far wall. There'll be a pelmet coming off on the curved ceiling in order to trap all of the nasty fumes. Kitchen sink in front of the window, obviously. Probably no overhead cupboards. There won't be any wall covers on here. There'll be an extractor here for the hob. As we come round into this corner here, on the inside of the curved wall, there'll probably be a fridge freezer with a curved work surface in here, glass cabinet in there with glasses, etc. on that side. And then through the arched wall or doorway, we come into a small area, 3 metres by 2, and that will be for all the utility goods around here. And then in this corner here, where the service ducts are, will be the consumer unit and all the electrics running up through the top and down the bottom. And that's about it for that one. That's pretty much wraps up the general area. You can see, obviously, it's taken a lot of time to get to where we are, but we think we've achieved something different. The local people quite like it. Yeah, hopefully everyone that's put all their effort into this build, as regards the design, supply of the timbers and everything else, they'll like it. And as you can see, this is the link through to the garage that we didn't really want. Where you're looking at the moment is where the stairs will go down to the garage, and as we pan up, there is the doorway to the upper garage. This is what the French building inspectors requested that we would have. So now we have a 7x7 room above the garage, and as you can see, some of the plasterboard is in and it's all taking shape. The garage floor has just been insulated as well, which is another 3 days to do, so we're quite warm in here. So there you have it. That's pretty much the ground level, so to speak. We'll show you the mezzanine in a minute. What's it?
This is the clerk of works.
The bear on the space heater. A space bear.
Oh. Do I have to...
Shouldn't flip up, but they will bend because the beam is there where you can see on the end runs through. But everything else I think is pretty good. Right, here we are on the mezzanine. So now when you're up here you can see all these lovely timbers that have come all the way from Austria. and I've been machined up to my design. Ooh, which is a bit scary really. Not so scary as when they turned up though, and we had to try and put all these in. But we had a friendly builder, merchant, and he actually managed to lift all of these in for us. So here we are. Okay, it's fairly limited in space because of the headroom, but I think this is the beauty of the house. This is the heart of the house, so that's it. There's nothing else to say really. Right, and this is what's underneath the house. So this is our basement, which runs the full length of one of the L's, as we call it. So much so we've still got window sills, 3 pallets of roof tiles at the end, insulation, scaffolding, blocks, you name it, everything is down here. We've had to block that off to try and stop the cold winds, which is the main entrance to the basement. But hopefully next year we'll have an awful lot of this done. It might even be habitable. Not down here, obviously, but in the house itself. It's not as tall as you think, because we're all walking around with our heads bent. Because you don't want to pay too much French taxes. Right. This is looking pretty good. You'd be the pyromaniac again.
Don't you dare.
It's too late. The pyromaniac is trying to do something.
Weed killing.
On its own.